dear student. In this session, we will discuss another numerical, which is analysis of the slider crank mechanism. Okay. So statement of the numerical is given on the blackboard. First of all, we will read it and then we will solve the numerical. Okay. An IC engine mechanism. In IC engine, there is a mechanism is used, and this mechanism is called as a slider crank mechanism. Means this numerical is based on the slider crank mechanism, having a crank is 200 mm long. So given the length of the crank R is equal to 200 mm and connecting rod is 750 mm long. Length of the connecting rod is 750 mm. L is equal to 750 mm long. When an angle turned by the crank is 60 degrees from the IDC, given that the angle turned by the crank is 60 degree from the IDC. IDC means inner dead center. So theta is given is 60 degree. Angular velocity of the crank is 20 radian per second. Angular velocity. Angular velocity of the crank is 20 radian per second, and it is increasing at the rate of 15 radian per second square. Means the angular velocity of the crank is increasing at the rate of 15 radian per second square. Here, angular velocity of the crank is not uniform. In last numerical, we discussed one problem in which we consider that the velocity of the crank or angular velocity of the crank is constant, but here they given that the angular velocity of the crank is increasing at the rate of 15 radian per second. Means alpha is given, that is alpha means angular acceleration is given, that is 15 radian per second square. Here the condition is that angular velocity of the crank is not uniform. Okay, and they ask the velocity and acceleration of the piston. Means velocity of the piston, acceleration of the piston, and in second they ask angular velocity and angular acceleration of the crank. Angular velocity omega of the connecting rod and alpha of the connecting rod. These four things we have to find out. Okay, so we will start. First of all, they ask the velocity of the piston. What is the formula for velocity of the piston? Velocity of piston. Velocity of the piston, Vp, is given by omega into r into sine of theta plus sine of 2 theta divided by 2n. Okay, so n, we have to first of all find out the n. N is the obliquity ratio and it is equal to L upon R. L is given that 750 divided by 200, that is equal to 3.75. N is equal to 750 divided by 200, that is equal to 3.75. If we put here, and the angular velocity of the crank is given, that is 20 radian per second. It is given in a radian, so no need to convert it. Okay, so omega is 20 r. R is the radius of the crank. Radius of the crank is 200 mm. We have to take it into the meter because we generally the velocity is measured in meter per second. Therefore, we put r in terms of meter. So it is equal to 0.2 meter into theta is 60 plus sine of 120 divided by 2 into 3.77. And if we calculate this, we will get the value of velocity, and velocity of the piston is 3.925 meter per second. Okay. Now this is the velocity. Then next thing is acceleration of the piston. acceleration of the piston. So what is the formula for acceleration of the piston? In our numerical they given that the acceleration of the piston, we have to find out the acceleration of piston, but velocity of the crank is not uniform. So we have to write the formula in which we consider the velocity of the crank is not uniform. Acceleration of the piston is equal to omega square r into cos of theta plus cos of 2 theta divided by n plus r alpha into r into sin of theta plus sin of 2 theta divided by 2n. Okay, here we put the value, that is omega square r into cos of theta plus cos of 2 theta divided by n plus alpha into r into sin of theta plus sin of 2 theta divided by 2n. Put the value here. Omega is given at 20, this square r is 0.2, cos of 60 plus cos of 120 divided by 3.75 plus alpha is given that alpha means angular acceleration of the crank, it is given at 15. So 15 into r is 0.2 into sin of 60 plus sin of 120 divided by 2 into 3.75. And if we calculate this, then we will get the acceleration of the piston, and the value of acceleration of the piston is 32.277 meter per second square. Okay, so this is the value of acceleration of the piston when velocity of the crank is not uniform and crank velocity is increased at the rate of 15 radian per second square. Okay, so this is the first part in which we calculate the velocity of piston and acceleration of the piston. Okay, now we have to find out the angular acceleration and angular velocity of the connecting rod. Okay, so first the next one is angular acceleration of connecting rod. Angular acceleration of the connecting rod. Okay, so what is the formula for angular first of all we calculate the angular velocity. Angular velocity of the crank, angular velocity of the connecting rod is omega c, and it is equal to omega into cos of theta divided by n. Omega into cos of theta divided by n. Okay, so omega is given here 20, theta is 60, that is cos 60 divided by n is 3.75. Okay, so if we put the value, we will get answer that is 2.667 meter per second. Okay, velocity we will get here meter per second. Here we have a angular velocity, so its unit is radian per second. So angular velocity of the connecting rod is 2.677 radian per second. Now angular acceleration of connecting rod. Angular acceleration of the connecting rod alpha c, and in numerical they given that angular velocity of the crank is not uniform, so we have to put the formula by considering there is angular acceleration. So formula is minus omega square into sin of theta divided by n plus alpha into cos of theta divided by m. Okay, so this is the formula where we put here minus sign into omega is 20 square sine of 16 divided by 3.75 plus alpha is 15 into cos of 16 divided by 3.75 and it is equal to 90.376 radian per second square. Angular acceleration of the connecting rod is minus 90.376 radian per second square. What is the meaning of this negative sign? This negative sign is indicate that the rotation or direction of rotation of the crank and connecting rod is the same. Means if the rotation of the crank is clockwise, the connecting rod is also rotating in clockwise, and when rotation of the crank is anti-clockwise, then rotation of the connecting rod is also clockwise. Negative sign indicates that the direction of connecting rod, direction of rotation of the connecting rod and crank is same. Okay, so this is the overall solution of this numerical, in which we have find out that the velocity of the piston, acceleration of the piston, angular velocity of the connecting rod and angular acceleration of the connecting rod. So these are some numerical which is based on analysis of the slider crank mechanism.